right, everybody, CryptoVin here, CryptoVin YouTube channel, doing another video on another guru. This time it's Robert Kiyosaki, the king of market crashes. And he was calling for a market crash almost 2 years ago. This video was a Kitco interview. I think it was September 21st, 2021. Robert Kiyosaki said that there was going to be a major crash and a depression. Let's listen to see what he has to say.
Hello, I'm Michelle Mukori, and this is Kitco News coming to you from New York. And my next guest is warning that a massive market crash is coming in October. Robert Kiyosaki is an entrepreneur, personal finance guru.
Market crash coming in October, which we know never happened. There was a correction, but hardly a market crash, and we'll get into it a little bit later about that. First, if you could like, subscribe, share the video, it'd be much appreciated. Let's get these gurus held accountable for their awful predictions and calls, and let's listen on.
And the author of more than 26 books, including the international bestseller, Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Robert, good to have you back with us on Kitco.
Oh, thank you, Michelle. I appreciate your being part of your program. Thank you.
Well, we appreciate your insight, and we want to get those insights on this October crash. Secretary Yellen is warning that if Congress doesn't raise the debt limit by October 18th, that there'll be a financial crisis, a calamity, as she calls it. Is this what you think will trigger this October crash?
Well, I think it's already been triggered personally, because after I posted that market crash, the S&P 500 is really the S&P 7.
The market never crashed, guys. I also want to show you another point in this video along the same topic.
You probably bought too high.
So you're holding on to your gold, silver, and Bitcoin, clearly. Do you think that after this October crash happens, that there'll be significant appreciation, a significant rally of all of those assets afterwards?
I believe so. That's why I started this whole thing. I'm very bullish gold, silver, and Bitcoin, but I'm very anti-Fed and Treasury. And I think it's very interesting that Yellen came from the Fed. And let me repeat, Lennon, again, the establishment of a central bank is 90% of communizing a nation.
Well, one thing for sure, Bitcoin did go up, but it wasn't because of a crash. All right, let's go to the chart. And you can see the video was taken about here, right about here. The S&P was around 44.55. And you can see it did dip down. I would hardly call it a crash. More of a correction. And if you kept waiting for this crash, you would have missed this opportunity of this run up here. And also a pretty big run up in Bitcoin. So the buying opportunity was here, was not a crash, it was a correction. It's been almost 2 years, and Kiyosaki has been wrong about his crash prediction. Let me know what you think about Kiyosaki in the comment section. Let me know what you think about his constant talking points of there's going to be a crash. There's going to be a crash. It just hasn't happened. And let me know in the comment section, guys. If you could do me a favor, like, subscribe, share. Hit that notification bell if you like to be notified of these gurus getting called out. All right, guys. We'll see you in the next video.